slide back a little bit on the seat. Good. Yes. The granola has no preservatives.
That's pretty nice.
No artificial flavor. I mean, it's literally just oatmeal.
Yeah.
And freeze-dried blueberries.
Blueberry. Oh, that sounds great.
That granola might be the best one. It's so sweet.
So nice. That'd be an Alpine.
Inbound. Incoming. We got incoming. He's right behind the orange bag. Oh, let's go.
What?
It's a little squirrel thing.
Oh, hey dude.
He looks like a little person. Oh, it's a chipmunk. Oh, he ran away.
That's why we had to bring the bear can, not bears. That thing looks all cute, but it rips your face off.
There's a lot of cute little creatures around here.
Oatmeal soup.
Marmots, mouses, chipmunks.
I think that was kind of done unless you want the water. pretty hard. That's a sturdy can. That's a serious can.
That's pretty serious.
That's real serious.
The bear can? Or the can of beans?
Can of beans.
Yeah, but it's pretty hard. Jay, you can finish that off.
You done?
Yeah, you're good.
Wow, those things are... Is that like the main thing that people buy, or...
I think so.
Those things are pretty awesome.
Some people get other ones. There's a bunch of different brands now. I still see him. His little tail's up there. Try to get a video of him.
No one can drink this?
No.
Drink this.
So good and tasty. Oh, Fudgers, I like that watch.
Thank you.
Nylon strap is cool.
It's a Walmart Timex. Wow, this is amazing. You
Told
sure you
you.
don't want some of this?
Oh.
There, I did it. Are we keeping base camp here?
Yes, we can. It's on the way out either way. So even if like we bail somewhere over there, we still have to come through here.
So that the same would be true if we bivvied or if we did it in one push? We would still do base camp here?
Yeah. I mean, if we bivvy, then we have more of a chance of actually like finishing the whole thing, coming down right here, and then just pack up camp.
Or sleep and then pack up camp next.
For Vivian, we're just bringing like our sleeping bags.
Yeah.
Are y'all sleeping bags insulated on the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay, me neither.
On the bottom?
Yeah.
Why would it not be? Like where your back is?
Because you press it down onto it and get rid of like the insulation. That's like the point of a air mattress or whatever, is that you're off the ground.
Huh. I'm not sure.
We can like lay out the ropes and bags and stuff and maybe lay on top of that.
Yeah.
I bet you I could stuff my sleeping bag into a smaller sack.
Let me
Smaller
see you
stuff.
try.
So,
Oh, it's right there.
dude's staring hard. He's like, that's cool. Yeah.
You can see him crossing up over the very top now.
Oh no, I'm talking about the ones that are over here.
Yeah.
Oh.
They're up at the up left on the trail.
No, not those ones. There's people over here crossing up.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Going up to the top of this mountain?
I guess so. They were like right here earlier. Lost them though.
back. Well, actually, if it depends on if we're bivvying or not, kind of.
I think we should plan to bivvy.
Okay, I need to fill up my water bottle at Lake Cirque. I should probably chug as much of my Camelback as possible.
Nathan, do you want to start laying out all the climbing gear?
Mm-hmm.
I'll start packing up this and make sure we have what we need to take with us.
Fair.
Hudgens, help Nathan.